crazy? Yo, where you going? Oh my god. Where's the cat when you need her?
So, in February on 2/2/2022, which I was really psyched about, I took a trip. I took, finally, at long last, an invitation from like a long time ago to come to Tsavo House and chill with Chris, who owns the house, and just chat about things and have a semi break because I still had work to do. But yeah, I did some painting, did some writing, a lot of walking. I took like a few pictures, and it was cool to have a change of scenery. And maybe, potentially, we will start to make these sorts of spaces and trips and everything for other people to kind of have some kind of loose fit creative residency and just make stuff. So, if that sounds good to you, maybe let's talk about that in the comments. It's very much my vibe for 2022 is just make something. Just make things. Just do it. So, hope you enjoyed this little peek into that, and I'll talk to you in the comments. Bye.